After millions of rumors, anticipation, and speculation regarding the iPad mini 7, Apple decided to drop it off out of nowhere. While people had high hopes for the device, it seems like minimal adjustments have been made to the new iPad mini. This makes us wonder, will it actually be worth it to upgrade to the new iPad mini 7 from the previous version? Forget that the iPad mini 7 has launched. In that case, if we show you an iPad mini 6 and tell you that, look, I got the newest iPad mini 7, we bet you'd want to hit us like this. They literally kept the same design as the Mini 6. The dimensions and appearance are all identical to the previous model. With a beloved ultra-portable design, the new iPad mini is available in 4 finishes, including a new blue and purple one. Apple sticks with the same display on the iPad mini 7 as seen in the iPad mini 6, so the ProMotion 120Hz refresh rate remains exclusive to the iPad Pro. So what's the major difference between them? It's the chipset. Inside the iPad mini 6, you'll find the A15 Bionic chip, which was also used in the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. It features a 6-core CPU combining 2 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, a 5-core GPU, and a 16-core neural engine. This was a significant feature at the time, though newer chipsets have since surpassed it. For the iPad mini 7, Apple introduced the A17 Pro, advancing by about 2 generations. This newer chip, found in the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, again features a 6-core CPU, 5-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine. According to Apple, the A17 Pro offers a 30% boost in CPU performance and a 25% increase in GPU speed compared to the A15. Alright, we just saw some cool gadgets that are now quite popular, but that wasn't always the case. A lot of marketing had to be done for them to garner such a fan base. So if you are a business owner and want to increase your sales and drive more traffic to your sites, you should check out today's sponsor, TikTok for Business. It is a global platform designed to help brands like yours become creative storytellers and meaningfully engage with millions of TikTok users. Whether you're looking to attract customers, drive sales, or boost conversions, TikTok's unique ad solutions can get you there. From small businesses to large agencies, TikTok for Business has the tools to help you grow. With TikTok for Business, you can launch your first campaign in just 3 easy steps. First, answer a few questions, and TikTok will create a personalized marketing plan just for you. Then, craft your content using an easy-to-use template or upload existing creative. Finally, run your campaign and watch your business reach new heights with the most engaged audience online. So why are you waiting? Find the link in the description box and launch your first TikTok campaign today. Another major uplift on the Mini 7 is the Apple Intelligence. Integrated directly into iPad OS 18, Apple Intelligence uses the power of Apple Silicon and custom generative models to understand language, generate images, and perform actions across apps. It also taps into personal context to enhance and streamline everyday tasks. Many of these models run on the device itself, with private cloud compute enabling flexible shifts between on-device processing and more scalable server-based models powered by Apple Silicon servers. The iPad mini 6 features a USB-C port at the bottom that offers USB 3 speeds of up to 5 GB per second. This port also supports charging, DisplayPort, and video output to an external 4K display at 30 Hz. In the iPad mini 7, the USB-C has been upgraded to support speeds of up to 10 GB per second. Video output has also improved, now supporting 4K displays at 60 Hz. On the wireless front, the iPad mini 6 comes with Wi-Fi 6 along with Bluetooth 5.0. The newer iPad mini 7 has been upgraded to Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3. Since the major upgrade in the iPad mini 7 is the chipset, it's important to note how much it does better. The GPU takes advantage of hardware-accelerated ray tracing and is aimed at delivering speeds up to 4 times faster than the Mini 6. It also supports dynamic caching and hardware-accelerated mesh shading. The strongest feature is the neural engine because it's capable of handling up to 35 trillion operations per second, more than double the performance of the A15 Bionic. This advanced neural engine powers Apple Intelligence, the company's generative AI initiative, featured in its M-series iPads, the iPhone 16, and the iPhone 15 Pro. The increased operations per second are essential for ensuring the smooth functioning of various features. Given Apple's goal of expanding Apple Intelligence across multiple devices, equipping the iPad Mini 7 with a powerful chip was necessary. The iPad Mini 7 enhances its creative potential with Apple Pencil Pro support. This new stylus offers everything the regular Apple Pencil does, which already made writing and drawing on the tablet feel exceptional, but it adds squeeze-sensitive technology for more control. The most groundbreaking feature, however, is the built-in gyroscope, which introduces rotational sensing for the first time. This allows users to rotate the pencil and adjust the angle of pens and brushes on screen to more naturally replicate the experience of drawing or writing on paper. So let's have a closer look at the pricing of both iPads. Which one provides more value for your money? Apple, being Apple, once again launched a product without any major innovation. The design is so similar that you can't even differentiate these iPads. They rather focused on improving the specs, which is also not significant. If those improvements make you delighted, you can think about getting a new one. Otherwise, you should be happy with your iPad Mini 6, because a new bottle should bring new wine. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.